Today we will learn about letter O. In phonics sound, O sound, O, O. O, owl. O, oranges. O, octopus. O, onion. Do you know about owl? O, owl. Owl, ullu. O, orange. Orange, orange juice. O, onion. O, octopus. Orange. This is an orange and it is dancing. Yay! Hi. Oh, what is this? What is this? It's an ostrich. It's an ostrich. Ostrich. Oh, what is this? It's an owl. Owl क्या करता है? रात में जागता है. Oh, what is this? It's an octopus. Let's write letter O. First, half curve, then complete the curve. And here is O. Next, curve, half curve, then complete it. And it's an O. Half curve and then complete. It's an O. In phonics sound, O. Okay, what we learned today? We learned about letter O. O, owl. O, orange. O, onion. O, octopus. Repeat after me. Orange, owl, onion, octopus. Orange, owl, onion, octopus. Now it's your turn for practice. Keep practice.